Welcome to this week's portfolio. This week's portfolio right now it's 8.1k. Overall, it's $630 dividend we earned, and gain is still 1.56 on the downside. Going to the activity tab. This week on November 20th, we had two buys. One with Disney $2 and Tesla TSLY $24. Then another $31 was deposited on that. $15 was again deposited to TSLY. Again on November 24th, we deposited $10. So Monday, this $10 will be traded to TSLY. Going to the holdings tab, the top best three performing shares are Costco. It still leads the pack. Average price is 516.84. If you see it, Costco, it increased to 591, almost touching $600. Second one is Disney. I just started investing in Disney. $1 each whenever I get profit. So $14 right now invested. So Monday also I will buy $1. Next one is Lin. This one also I started investing with the dividend that I received on that buy. Right now the average price is 382. Lin crossed for 400. It's now for $14. Looking at the worst performing three shares, MA is the worst third one. So it was because all the realty shares were keeping low this year. The average price is 138.23. Right now it's 122.61. So it started to increase. Still our average price is moved. Next one is TSLY. TSLY it's around $11. We have 183 shares and our average price is 13.49. The worst performing share is TLTW. It reduced the dividend, that's why my average price is 33.26. Right now it is 28.05. There's not much change happening. Every week it went to 27.97. Now it started to increase. However, we are not investing anymore to TLTW, so our cost basis will keep the same. Going to the borrow part, I borrowed $2,000. Right now 1668 is the pending one. The last week I repaid $15 on November 22nd, $5 on November 24th, so $20 in total. I think they didn't generate the November bill. However, the projected bill is 1.81. It would be less than October bill. And this is where our experiment goes. Liability. Tesla invested $1,000. Right now it's 9,996. TSLY also invested $1,000, and including the drip, like 3 months drip, still trail Tesla $893. Let's go to the fair calculation sheet. Currently 183.67 a monthly dividend. Annual dividend it closed 2,200. That is 2204.04. Last month calculation, monthly dividend would be 156.69. Is the average for the year. A dividend, the fire date is 11 November 9, 2191. Last week I saved around 230 days. A dividend it's 819k I'll get at that year per month, and at that time my age would be 207. Currently the Monthly fire target is 5292.69. Going to each pie TSLY. Price on mobile, it's $35. Right now it's 21.1. We'll keep investing on TSLY. Netflix, it's $15. Right now I'm getting 35.33. Xfinity, $18. That's 25.52. Costco membership, $5 at 7.04. Car wash is $10. I'm getting 12.47. Real subscription, it's 23.67. I'm guessing I'll be getting 25.11. And $100 invested in APLY agency CRF, it generates 1.32 dividend. Currently, yield on cost is 28.23. I invested 7807.53, and current portfolio it's 8K, so it's more. That's it for the week.